Good morning, Facebook friends. Hey, it's Debbie, Mascara Girl. Want to thank everyone who participated in my 10 mascara a day little sell-a-thon I had going on. I have 2 prizes to give away to the girls that did decide to be a part of that. And if you've never had or tried the Younique 3D mascara, here is my eye with mascara. And here's my eye without. So this is why I am so crazy on Facebook about Younique. So the 2 prizes I have to give away, one are the Shine Wipes that help get off the lashes, and then number 2, our new Splurge and Free Brush. So our winners today are Kara Putman. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Just inbox me and let me know what product you want. And the other one is Katie Frank. Thank you so much, girls, for being a part of my crazy day yesterday and putting up with my post and all the craziness of Younique. But just wanted to show you it's coming. You're gonna love it.